We have another case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 from Spigen, and this time it is the Tough Armor case. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. You can currently pick this up for $49.99, available in the link below from Amazon. So very typical packaging from Spigen. Let's go ahead and pull the tab and see what this case is all about. This is a full cover case. It even covers the hinge, which is awesome, and it is gonna be just like your other Galaxy Fold cases. I can tell because they give you the adhesive strips here when the original ones of the case run out. So looking at the case, it looks very good. You do have this rubbery kind of style protection around. Does it go in? And it slides inside the case here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It slides inside the case, so when you fold it or close it, it is out of the way. That is pretty cool. I absolutely like that. And it is the same style of cases. You have to peel all these little things. Let's go ahead and peel all these little things. So let's grab the Fold 3 here. How are we gonna do this? Install this one first. There we go. Kind of press into it, and then you gotta kind of slide it in almost. And then this is gonna be pretty much the same. Kind of get it in there like that, and then push down on it and slide it in and press down, and it is on there, and it actually looks and feels good. Look at that. Bam. That's a lot of protection. Look at that. Spigen. Wow. Tough Armor case. Nice. So the cutouts on these are a lot better than the thin fit case from Spigen. As you can see, the mic cutout, the charging port, the speaker, they're all nice and precise. No issues there. The volume rocker and fingerprint reader easily accessible, nice and exposed. They are not covered. The camera is protected. You do have a lip brace there, so if you place this on a flat surface, most definitely nothing's gonna happen to the camera lens. As same as the front, you have a giant lip here, as you can see it. Look at that, all the way around. So if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, it's not gonna get scratched. But I don't know, you see that? It's kind of hard to get that. Let's open up. I guess it's not that hard, but you do have a gigantic lip there, so it's kind of doesn't feel natural. See, it's kind of hard to actually do that, but no issues there. Look at that. That's a giant lip. But this does retract in, bam, like that when you open this up. And you do have a little bit of lip protection here on the inner side of the screen if you want to go ahead and lay your fold down like this, which I don't recommend to do that. I honestly don't, so don't do that. You'll be a fool if you do that. But looking good. It is nice and sturdy in there. I like how it retracts in. Look at that. Inside you do have some Spigen branding there, and when you fold it, boom, look at that, Spigen. And when you fold it Uh-oh. Damn. So it will pop the case up. So be very, very careful. Let's go ahead and fold that up. Let's see. So you have to be kind of slow. Look at that. So you kind of press it in yourself as you fold it, because if you just fold it like that rapidly, it's going to kind of squeeze. So kind of press, put some pressure down, and boom. So if you're folding it like that, while you're folding it, press down on it with your fingers right here, and it will just go in like that, and no issues whatsoever. But this case is the Tough Armor case from Spigen, and it will run you $50. But if you're looking for absolutely protection, right here, go ahead and pick this bad boy up. No issues with that whatsoever. Now, to remove it, it's a little bit, these Spigen cases are on there pretty good. The adhesive is on there pretty hard, so I wouldn't worry too much about the adhesive wearing out. But if you do, they give you extra ones. Or if you're like me, look at that, it's kind of hard to pop out. You see that? So your phone is protected while it's in the case. It's not going to easily just come out like that. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy back on here, and you got extra ones. So if you want to go ahead and remove it for something, and that those adhesives start wearing out, you got extra ones in here, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. Let's go ahead and place this back inside, because we got more case reviews to do. So there you have it, guys. This is the Spigen Tough Armor for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. $49.99. Link will be in the description below. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.